This single-story home offers easy living. From a remodeled kitchen, with soft close drawers, overlooking the dining area, to the walk-in tile shower. Home has an open flowing floor plan, with tons of natural light. The living room features vaulted ceiling and gas insert fireplace. The yard is a gardener's delight, yet small enough for easy maintenance. Home has 2 entertainment patios. Fully fenced backyard ideal for pets, plus a storage shed. Newer air conditioning. The 1-car garage houses newer gas furnace and hot water tank, which are real energy savers. Located by Brannan Park, with private gated access to green river trails. Easy commute to schools, shopping and highways 167 and 18. Home is in excellent condition inside and out.